So this morning my mom told me my car was leaking oil. I didn't think it was mine, but in the morning I went out to go look. Oil spots right there. And yep, definitely leaking oil from somewhere. So gotta find out how to fix that. So I already jacked up the car and kind of start popping off some, what do you call them? I don't know what you call them, but you know what to pop off. First thing you need to do is remove these little nuts washers, and they are size 7. I'm missing one right. Oh, I'm missing one right there. 1, 2, 3. Missing one right there. So already sort of loosened them. Got this one. They weren't tightened super hard, so pretty easy to take off. Alright, so never mind. Leave those on. The ones you want to take off are right there, and 2 back there, which will release this plate. And these are size 10. Replace the light. Why are none of these tight? Could literally undo them with my hand. So there's one. Second one over here. Again, super loose. Okay, there's that one. Put it right next to that one. I wonder if I can reach from here. Alright, yes I can. Still super loose. And I've heard the cause for the oil leak might be that my oil filter is loose. So we'll check that out right now. I should probably get a rag. Hopefully this doesn't come plopping down. Nope, yes it does. Put that there. Let's see, slide this off. Yep, just comes sliding off. Alright. My car is leaking. Let's see. Oh, yep, definitely from the oil filter. Yep, they're right. Oil filter definitely looks wet, and definitely why my car is leaking oil. So I'm gonna go get a rag, clean that off, and hopefully tighten it. Alright, so when you don't have rags or spray towels, old shirt works just the same. So now I'm gonna go try to clean that and tighten it. Hopefully that's the problem, because that's an easy fix. And let's get back under there. Definitely loose. If I can hand tighten it. Pretty sure it's hot. Yep, it's hot. Oh, that just went in my mouth. Alright. Definitely think I tightened it now. Double check. lot better than it looked before. Still, like I said, old rag. Doesn't matter what happens to this one. It was going in the trash either way. Oh man. Good thing I had this. If not, there would have been even bigger puddles. Try to get it all off. That had chunks. I'm guessing that's oil and dirt. Look at that chunk. See that chunk? Ugh. So, looking a little bit better. Take a look at the bottom side. Oh yeah. Look at that. Remove for engine services. Torque bolts to 35 pounds. Yeah, oh well. I'm gonna torque them to 3 Jonathan pounds, which is 3 hand tight turns. Whoa, alright, so basically gotta lift this thing, slide that through there, line up the bolts, and no. Alright, I do have all 4. So all you gotta do now, hope that they go in these. So no, not yet. 1, 2, 3 pounds of Jonathan torque. 1, 2, 3 pounds of Jonathan torque. Alright, so I think we're all good under here. Most of the oil leaks were under the skid pan, so I'll check again. I don't know if I want to check tomorrow, but so today's Thursday night, so I'll check Saturday or Sunday. Remove the skid pan again. Hopefully it's not leaking. I tightened it, but we'll see. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. If you know any other reason why it might be leaking oil, let me know in the comments. And get ready for more videos, because getting pretty serious about these YouTube videos. So yeah, do what I said. Peace. I guess I have to lower the car instead of just lay under here. So alright. So